Alright, you wanna get back in the boat?
Well, we're gonna have to.
Yep. Alright, let me...
We still have no idea. We still have no idea what the fuck is going.
Thank
Go.
you. Oh god, trying to go towards this dude's drug problem thing, side quest.
Okay, a little bit this way, and then it says just go straight. I think this
There's,
way.
wait, there's a, yeah, let's get out here.
Suicider.
Uh-oh. I'll get the ones behind us.
Oh god.
It's killing me.
Oh shit. Cut him up. Any more of those freaks out there? Nope. Is that the dealer?
I'm guessing this is his house. And it's full of infected. Or it's not infected zombies.
Oh god.
Ow, he knifed me!
Is he having like a drug party or something? Oh, Walker. There's weapons and wrenches and shit here. Oh, it's a toxic thug, or not thug, infected.
Are you kidding me?
Killed a drug dealer.
Oh, hi there!
And a big man, too. What, is he infected or a thug? He's a big man. Mr. Dead is the guy's name.
I send you to hell.
Jesus. Christ, this guy's strong. Ah, shit, come on, man.
Ow, he's got me!
Damn, I keep losing all my money.
Jesus! What
Oh,
are you gonna
flare
throw
gun.
at him?
I still have the sonic pulse bombs. Oh, God, fucker.
He's up there on the...
Yeah, I hit him with a flare gun. Hit him again. Keep pounding him.
Ow! Well, I gotta replace my stamina.
Oh, he goes.
What?
Oh, he's on the floor.
I can't get him. He's stuck.
Ah. Yeah, I still have nail
Oh, he
gun
can still
shot.
hit me. Ah!
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Hang on, I still have my nail gun.
You dead?
Think so, yeah. What do you have on him? I'm losing so much money from dying.
Did we just kill him and he didn't give us anything?
I don't think he did. I got my nail gun ammo back, but... Fragile kitchen knife.
Maybe there's something inside.
Oh.
Found something.
Police baton, magnet. Oh, what's this? Fruit. Ammonia energy drink. Formidable cudgel. Secret files.
It says drugs. Check this out.
Just
It
drugs.
just says drugs. It doesn't say what kind of drugs.
I can't just let him kill himself. I'll give him glucose instead.
Okay,
Wait,
yeah.
we're just going.
Fake drugs. I say we give him the fake drugs.
Yeah, I guess we are.
This guy's got problems.
Who has fake drug? Okay, hear me out. Why would a drug dealer make fake drugs?
Yeah, is he cutting his real drugs with fake drugs? I don't know. What's this? Oh. Is that yours?
What?
Incapacitating police
Oh, I
baton?
guess it is.
It's of mine.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we can do.
Wait, can we fast travel?
Is there a way to fast travel there? Village bungalow, shop. And I see a guy over here named Dave. I'm going to him.
With a quest? With a thing on
Oh,
it?
zombie! Is he in here?
Just... They're behind us.
Uh-oh. I
Please
guess,
don't get us stuck.
I guess get out here. Ow!
I can't.
Can I get up here? Oh no!
I'm on.
If I can jump out the other way, yeah.
No, I didn't want to do that.
I don't think they can get up here. Oh no, Aaron! There we go.
Finally got unstuck.
Oh, this guy's on like a little trailer. Look at this.
I'm running to see this. I got stuck.
How do we get up there? Do we need the boat over here? Or...
Yeah, try getting the boats. I can't
Alright.
parkour on that. You just slide off.
This ain't Dying Light.
I'm
Nothing?
afraid you might get the boat stuck in there.
Uh-oh. Jumping on.
Hang on. I'm trying to make my way there.
Yep. There, oh, there's a ladder on this side.
God damn it, we did it the hard way, didn't we?
I was filming my next movie here. Oh shit. Goddamn big idiot. Cursing the stars. Crew is still at the set. We were shooting this horror movie, see? And then those things attacked. Christ, I had to leave them. Anna and Mark. Wait, the camera. You've got to recover my camera.
Are you serious?
Go to the set, find my crew, and recover the camera. Will you do that for me?
Sure, I guess. We're doing all these quests till we get bored of
Sure
them.
you get that camera, right? Oh, and the battery. Don't forget the battery.
Are you priorities? Can you say?
Yeah. I don't know, you want to try getting this dude his freaking camera? Oh my god, this is like all the way over there. I think. Hold on.
This right here, it is. Well, if we
Oh, it's over there.
if we go to the landing area, it's right over there. We'll probably get to it. We just gotta walk somewhat.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see. Just right over here, right?
I think so. I look at another crucified man.
Yep. And zombies, watch out. I'm just running through them. Whoa, infected! Watch out.
I'll catch up with you in a moment.
What's in here?
Uh-oh. Oh, we got a floater too.
Oh, good. Great. Terrific.
I just ran past him. How does so many like people like out in this jungle, you know?
No clue.
Oh, here we are.
Okay.
I've got
Oh,
to be
God.
getting close.
Is there gonna be like some guy in like a monster costume? I don't like this.
The fences and everything are electrified.
Hang on, I'm turning it off. There we go.
I hear bad things.
Oh!
Chains! That's all you. You're the sharp weapons person.
Alright,
Now
Hang
get
on.
that thing. This is gonna be perfect.
alright, chainsaw, chainsaw, chainsaw. What is this? Oh,
Ooh.
this thing need. This thing need like fuel. I swear its durability is like slowly dropping.
Oh
because
man.
the engine's just running. Are you serious?
Switch to something else then, just so.
Yeah. Oh god, look at that.
On.
Easy as pie.
Guys,
Don't say
can't-
that. Feeble claw. Free duct tape.
Tiring claws. You want those or?
Nah, I think I'm good.
Right. Oh, there's a thing here.
Battery.
Oh, there's a battery he was talking about. God, look at this place. Is this like a snuff film?
That was it!
I found the rest of it.
Pull this
Right.
son bitch off me!
Oh! They're taking their heads off. Fucker. Oh, damn. Oh, man, that chainsaw's pretty good.
I mean, it's used up already.
Maybe
Camera
like
battery.
75% durability now. Is there anything in here? No.
Found the camera battery in there, so...
Okay, good. Let's get the hell out of here. Leg it back to that guy.
Okay, so of all the improvements made to the game, I really don't like the drowners that drag you out of the boat.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Back to the guy. Back to Dave. Watch that floater there on the right. Oh! Infected.
What is it?
Leap.
This village here has been devastated.
Orlander. Oh, fuckers. God damn, man. No, don't go down the ladder. There we go. This guy's just hanging out on top of this like wrecked trailer.
How have they
Your
not reached him
crew
yet?
won't be making movies
Yeah.
anymore. They're dead.
Fuck! The ending is gone. Oh, this is fucking useless. I'm ruined. Anyway, thanks. Cheers. This is for you, so you know I appreciate your help. I'm trying to think this thing through.
I mean, bronze knuckles. Bronze knuckles, not brass knuckles. Okay, I gotta put on all this new gear here. All this junk I just dropped there. Alright, what's our next target, you think?
Go give the guy the fake drugs.
Yeah. Is there with fast travel over there, or...
I don't see a fast travel point.
Alright, well, if we... Okay, so we can go there. Alright, we can... Should we leg it there? Or... Because I don't...
I guess so.
The boat's not gonna take us far. There might be a car or something, though. Yeah, remember, we were here before, remember?
Oh yeah, I think I remember.
Is it all burned? You see that?
Yeah, it looks burnt.
Yeah.
Check it behind you.
Look out!
Nope, didn't want to trade. Get them back, fucker.
Yeah, there's... Yeah, we've
What's
been
up?
here before. There's a...
Bodies.
Wow.
Yeah, look, here's the road.
Right now, all we need is a vehicle.
There's one this
Ow.
way. Come on. It's not gonna take us far though, but we have it. Up in.
I'm hopping in.
Out of the way, zombies. Traffic jam. And here we are.
Man, I would really wish that I could turn down difficulty of the game.
Yeah. Okay, these guys are
Oh my
strong.
god!
Jesus. These dudes are strong, man. Suicider. Get off me.
Let me
Watch it!
There we go.
Damn, they knocked me far.
Yeah, these guys are tough in this game, man. There's a lot of these fuckers too.
Especially in this area for some reason.
Yeah. I give them the fake drugs, I guess.
Oh, fuck yeah! Rock and roll! Woo! Okay, here, take it. Take all of it.
Ugh.
Pretty
Yeah,
awesome, isn't it? Pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess I gave him the. Oh, here.
Awesome, isn't it?
Did you get the weapon?
This I think so.
Sturdy. I got 2 things of bronze knuckles now.
I just bought a bunch of med kits.
Oh, good. Yeah, let me buy some from him as well. Sells rifle ammo.
Are you just gonna stay in the fetal position all day?
Yeah. Oh god, I got a ton of med kits.
Look, my skin's getting itchy. You're not done there.
What?
I
don't know if we gave him the fake drugs or the real drugs. It didn't give me an option.
think we gave him the fake drugs.
Yeah.